class, the VA here, Teacher Kathy. Okay, today we're going to create a video showing you how to use wordwall.net. It's another gaming site. I have other videos on my YouTube channel that I will link in the cards here about Kahoot and Blookit and Gimkit, but I haven't made one yet on Wordwall, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, but before I do that, let's look at this. Don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, and the bell. It really does help my channel. Okay, so I'm going to turn on my screen share. First, I'm going to turn on my mouse cursor so you can see my mouse while I'm doing this. Hopefully, it'll show up on camera. And then I'm going to go up here. I'm going to turn on that. We're going to do the big screen capture, so hopefully you'll be able to see everything. So you can see both of my things. So this is wordwall.net. It has a lot of great little mini games on it that you can use to create mini games for your students. And I've been using these a lot in my one-on-one classes because it's great for one-on-one. And then I use the remote control feature in Zoom and let my students control my mouse within that window that I've put on the screen. And then I've also used it in the new self-paced classes. Because it doesn't have, you can set it to not have an expiration date. So that works really well. I use that kind of in conjunction with my Kahoot link, which I'm going to post another video about Kahoot if you don't know about that one. So what I do when I'm planning is so what I do in my self-paced classes is I take and make little mini games from my lessons, from my slides, okay? So on the left-hand side, we have my lessons here, and I've been working through these, so I copy over this material here from my slides into the mini games. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to move my picture first because it's in the way. I'm going to go up here to create an activity, and it's going to pull open all these different types of activities you can do. There is a ton. Super fun. Not all of them work for everything, but they're super fun. So I'm going to do the matchup one because that's what I tend to default to. And then I'm going to put in the lesson number here. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to copy. Oh, wait, these have 4 choices. I don't want to do this one. With this one, I messed up. I want to do this one. I want to do the quiz. Okay, we're going to start over. Lesson 8. Okay, and then I'm going to paste this in here. And I'm going to put each of the options. Okay, and then I'm going to mark the right answer. To grow strong and healthy, so that would be thrive. Okay, I'm going to add a question. We're going to do the next one. So I'm going to have to do a minimum of 3 to show you how the game works. I'm not going to make you sit and watch me do the whole lesson, but I will do 3 so that way it will let the game play so I can show you how it works. Nursery. Hinge. Soft, wet, low-lying ground. That would be marsh. Okay. And then the next one is this one here. Okay. And then we're going to say that is a place that grows and sells plants would be a nursery. Okay. So we got a minimum of 3 on here. You can add more, obviously, but I'm going to stop there so that way you can see how the game is played. So I'm going to click on the done, which was behind my picture, so I'm sorry you didn't see that. And that takes us to this page here. So this is where the game starts. Now, up here on this corner, if I click on Show All, it shows you the option of templates you can do from the one you created. Now, you can do the one you created, which was the quiz, but you can change it to any of these other options if you would like at any time. To edit the content, you go into Edit Content, and then here you get to pick the visual style, and it's got all kinds of themes, which is one reason why I absolutely love it. Um, let's go with the spaceship theme for this one. And then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click on none on the timer. But if you want a timer, you can set it. You can set how many lives you want. I usually make that unlimited. I'm going to shuffle the answer order. And then I'm going to click on apply to this activity. Okay. Now, what I usually do is I just turn on the remote control. I turn on the remote control in Zoom and let the students operate it, and they start here, and we'll click on start. So we'll just pretend like I've done that, and I'll click on start. They can find sound effects, which is awesome. To grow strong and healthy. So the kids are going to pick which one is the correct answer. And click on thrive. Correct. Yay. Soft, wet, low-lying ground. I'm going to pick the wrong answer on this one just to show you what it does. Shows them the correct answer, okay? A place that grows and sells the nursery. There we go. And then at the end, it pops up this box where you can click on the leaderboard and you can have them type in their name, you can show their answers, or you can play it again if you want. So now, if you're going to share this in something like a self-paced class, and you want to be able to just paste a link in there, it's a really cool way to do that. You just got to click on share. Back up. We don't want to do this. We want to do it this way. We want to go to my activities. And then I'm going to put this in its rightful place. I've got folders and everything in here to keep everything organized. Me and my organization, I love that. And then we are in lesson 8. So I need to add a folder for lesson 8. So new folder, lesson 8. And then I'm going to drag that into there. Okay, so now what I do to get the link is you click on these 3 dots right here. And it gives you an option. Now, you can just do the share option if you want, and that gives you the option to give it a title. You click on publish, and then you copy and paste this link, okay? But what I've been doing lately, which gives me a little more customization, is I go set assignment. I put in the name. I require the students to put in their name for my self-paced classes especially, so that way I know who's completed it. I set the deadline to none, but you could set it for a date and time if you want. Show answers and start again. Excuse my yawning. This one also allows you to set it anonymous if you want or integrate it into Google Classroom. You click on start, and then again it gives you a link that you can copy, okay? Now, the reason I like this is because I can, with that set assignment, you can go up to my results, and you can see all the lessons that you've set, and you can see the results. Let's see if I have one that students have actually used. It looks like a lot of these that I've been posting lately is saying here, no students. Nobody's been using these, and I'm not sure why. Maybe the students just don't want to. I have no idea. But we'll just click on one here. And it'll show you the results for what the students have gotten correct, incorrect, in time. Okay? So there you have it. That is wordwall. So I absolutely love it. I hope you love it too. And I hope you have fun with it. I did pay for a membership to it. I don't remember if there's a free version, but I did pay for a membership. I think it's yearly. I don't remember how much. But it's a write-off. It's a business expense. So anyway, there you go. I hope you like that, and you can use it in your online teaching or even just in your regular classroom. And if you have any questions or comments, I would love to hear from you below. Let me know, okay? All right, I'll see you next time.